everyone. Welcome to our Capstone project presentation video. In this video, myself, Ramya Verma, with my teammate Mangalindu Jha, would like to present to you our Capstone project that we have worked for on this semester. It took us like 4 months to progress the project as it is today, and we plan to further continue it. Mangalindu, what's your take on this?
It was very interesting. Our project was based on Unreal Engine 4 and the 3D characters were made in Blender. So basically our project was implementing a Indian themed game, action game, that third person, which was a little different from the usual games that are in the market right now. So our first challenge was to create a story and models that relate to that, and the other was implementing skills and equipments and stuff that can be used in game. So then after that it was implementing the enemy AI that can be in the battle and stuff. Anything you need to add, Sunamya?
Yes, at first the game that we designed, the first point that we made sure is that it is optimized enough to run on low-end systems and has a very small download footprint, because in India we know the situation of the internet that majority of the people have, and on top of that it should be very optimized to run on low-end systems, and we also want to add a very engaging single player, because we know that a single player is equally as important these days as multiplayer. People spend more time in multiplayer, but when they want to just go through a story or just play without the internet connection, so we also plan to incorporate a very engaging single player mode with self-improving AI in future that increases the difficulty level and does not make the game boring or easy. So let's have a look at the game.
Okay, so
this is the software which we have used. It is Epic Games Unreal Engine 4.25, and this was the main application that we used. Mangalindu, can you walk us through the UI and the gameplay?
Sure. So this is our main character, and these are his skills. It can be cycled through.
As you can see, we have different elemental powers
and animations for the corresponding skills. So
and the controls are also pretty easy, right, Mangalindu?
Yeah.
Like conventional third-person games.
Yes.
The people are already used to.
Yes. So like if I need to access my inventory, I press I. Here is my inventory. I can see all that stuff. And if I need to access my equipment, I can equip all that loot that I collected. It automatically shows what I have equipped, and even increases my health bar.
These increase. Exactly, that's what I noticed.
And
increases your health stats and your other stats.
Yes, and even I can change my skills if I don't like one, and I can use my items even. This is the health potion. It increases my health. So now I'll engage with a enemy character to show you uh, the basic fight sequence. I can. It even summons a small enemy type.
It is like a secondary enemy that our main enemy summons.
Yeah. So I died. So pretty much I can restart the game. We'll try to implement
So
more
like
of the features.
The tutorial level that we have created for now.
Yes. And we'll try to implement more details and other stuffs for the later.
Yeah. The first thing on the table is to design the first level, the first mission.
Yep.
And after that, we would implement the multiplayer, because multiplayer we have to design the game server and then deploy the game server on preferably a cloud service platform.
Yes.
And that's pretty much it. We would like to thank our HOD, Dr. Deepak Garg, Bennett University, Computer Science Department, for giving us this opportunity, and our instructor, Dr. Indrajit Gupta, for guiding us, as well as Dr. Anurag Goswami. Sir, thank you very much for all the help. And Manglendu, how was your experience? I thoroughly enjoyed developing a game and would definitely continue the development.
Yeah, I also enjoyed working with you, and making a game and playing a game, I think, are pretty two different what you can say
experiences.
Two different experiences for that same project. So like, it was fun, and I'll probably continue working on it even after this project evaluation.
Yes, exactly. The one thing we learned is that game development is not a short-term process.
Yes.
Even the smallest games require at least a year or two of development. So as you can see that ours is also at a very infancy stage. So we would still continue to reach it to a level in which we can deploy it on Steam as a free-to-play game for now, and maybe work on some more features that we can add. We are continuously in touch with the community to get feedbacks. So I guess that's it. Thank you very much for watching.